Morning, it's Rich from the Motorcycle Garage. Just a quick update on how the good old Triumph Trophy 900 Triple 1996 is going. Really going rather beautifully now. There's a little more being done. Lights, dash, really exhaust. Really good. Really good. Yeah. Yeah. Don't you see much of the light there. I'll tell you what, I'll just get my lamp. Doing this is not working, I should be working on it. Oh, will be. Let's get a bit of lamp on it. Right, okay. Does that help? Maybe it does, I don't know. Yeah. Beautifully done by my mate. All that wiring. New loom, well, new old loom. Frame, as you can see. Really, battery box I've gotten done is over there. Putting the battery box in. Oh, I just seen something down there. That's good. Found and not lost. Brakes are working beautifully. Because they're completely renovated. There's the brakes, completely renovated. I did a few weeks ago. New seals, etc. Anyway, I better get on with some work, really. Yeah. Thinking of replacing the coils and putting the stick ones in. Triumph TT600 we can utilise there. And put stick coils in. But at the moment, that's the least of our worries. Just general improvements. Awesome. Anyway, I'll keep you posted. And have a nice day. See you.